Are you a fan of creating mind-blowing AI art using Midjourney? Would you like to create beautiful AI images similar to Midjourney without spending your hard-earned money? I have a solution for you. BlueWillow AI. It's similar to Midjourney, easy to use and capable of creating beautiful AI art. And the best part, it is completely free. So how does it work? Actually, it's very similar to Midjourney. First, you need to join the BlueWillow Discord server. Then, go to one of the rookie channels. Here, you can type in your prompts using /imagine commands. Let's try a simple prompt now. Futuristic samurai on Mars. And here is the result. It looks really good. You can create variations by clicking on the V buttons the same way as in Midjourney. You can also upscale by using U buttons or completely redo the prompt. Now, let's compare results that I got from BlueWillow and Midjourney using the same prompt. In my opinion, Midjourney is still a winner. Images are more artistic and have a better feel to them. However, BlueWillow is still capable of doing a great job. And let's not forget, it's completely free. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.